3.
Okay, I'm gonna make salmon steamed rice today. So you set the oven to 400. Preheat the oven to 400. Prep salmon, wash, pat dry, banana leaves. I have this in organic in my backyard, so I just put over the fire to soften up a little bit, and wash it and dry with towel. And you cut this out like this. This is banana leaf from my backyard. Okay, take that out like that. So your food don't stick to the aluminum foil, okay? So you just put that away. Thyme, organic thyme from my backyard, wash and rinse. Preparation, tomato pesto, sun-dried tomato, I believe. Okay, and salt. Thanks to Dr. Sky, when he came and visit, he bought us this salt, pink salt, and fresh ground pepper. So let me show you how to make this. Very simple, and you can prep as many as you want. Right now, salmon is on sale at Albertson. So get the aluminum foil. Okay, that much. Depending how big and how small you want to make this. Okay, so you just put aluminum foil there. And the purpose of the banana leaves is that so your rice and your salmon don't stick to aluminum foil after cooking, like so. Okay, and it will give aroma. And you put rice, cooked rice, brown rice, any rice that you want. So this is what I have, Hannah cooked today, I believe. And so you just put as little or as much as you want. Okay, gonna spread them out a little bit, and you put salmon on like so. Okay, so this is one meal. Okay, then dear, can you get me spoon, little spoon? 2 spoon actually. No, little spoon. Okay. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of this so I don't get my finger in there. Okay. Put a little bit of pesto on top of the salmon. All right. Pepper, fresh ground pepper, a pinch of salt. Okay, and put thyme like that on it. All right, and you close it up like so. Okay. Like that. So there you are. That is lunch for one person, or a meal, one-time meal. And you can make as many. So I'm planning to make as many because I'm going to work tomorrow and the next day, so I have good lunch. Or it could be breakfast too. And Daddy, you can take to lunch, and Hannah can take to lunch, so we don't need to cook. And this is how we do this. Preheat oven 400 degree, bake. Put this in there 20 minutes, and I will show you the after it's cooked. So get it?